Let's calculate the circuit requirements for a 10 horsepower, 208 volts, 3-phase motor with a 30 amps full load current. You're asking if you rate the circuit breaker and conductors at 250% of the full load current, referencing table 430.52 for an inverse time breaker. This puts the overload protection at 75 amps and conductors at number 6 American wire gauge. And you're asking if you need to divide the 75 amps by 1.73, which is the square root of 3, or is the 75 amps what the circuit should be rated for? For the circuit breaker rating, yes, you do need to consider the 3-phase aspect. So, we'll divide the 75 amps by 1.73, which equals 43.35 amps. Therefore, the standard circuit breaker size should be rated at 43 amps. Now, for the conductor rating, the conductors should be sized to handle the load. The 250% factor applies to the overload protection, not necessarily directly to the conductor ampacity. However, we do need to ensure the conductors can carry the full load plus any required oversizing due to motor starting characteristics and other factors. We initially calculated 75 amps based on the 250%, so we'll use that as a starting point for conductor sizing. Therefore, the conductors need to be rated to handle 75 amps. Based on the National Electrical Code Table 310.16, the minimum conductor size for 75 amps on a 208-volt circuit is number 4 American wire gauge, assuming the conductors are copper and are rated for 75 degrees Celsius. Be sure to check the specific ampacity ratings for your conductor type and installation method, as adjustments may be needed for ambient temperature or the number of conductors in a raceway. To summarize, the circuit breaker rating should be 43 amps and the conductor size should be number 4 American wire gauge.